Lord, I've been dreaming about the paper. I want it all. I want to shine.
This is my haul. Marvel Legends Bishop. Really cool figure. Marvel Legends X-Men box set. SH Figure Arts Piccolo. Return of Marvel Legends Thor and Return of Marvel Legends Future Foundation Spider-Man. DC Universe Classics All-Star Wave Batman. I got this Spider-Man from Ian the Night Wonder, so big shout out to him. I also picked up these 6 Marvel Universe AIM Soldiers. I bought these from Solid, so big shout out to him. And I bought this Marvel Universe Jim Lee Cyclops. Really dope.
I make big money, I drive big cars, everybody know me. It's like I'm a movie star, but late at night, something ain't right. I feel I'm being tailed by the same sucker's headlights. Is it that move that I ran off the block? Or is it that nigga last week that I shot? Or is it the one I beat for $5,000? Thought he had cane, but it was gold, not a flower. Reached under my seat, grabbed my papa for the suckers. Ain't no use in the line, I was scared of them mother.
Tuesday on the rocks. Tuesday on the rocks. Hot girl sitting down, kissing my locks, and the DJ spinning on the yacht. We don't care if you're drunk, sip some of that. Down in a Trinidad, a Jamaica, Las Vegas, or Ibiza. We just party hard, party hard, party hard. Yeah, you know we drink all day, dance all night. We don't stop playing, but that's alright.
Place goes to Super Astro.
And I think that there's a 23 attached.
23, yeah, you're Super Astro 2323. Really well done. Again, we left comments on you. You had awesome effects. You had a really good story, and I think you're right on track with what you're doing with the ACBA. So we just want you to keep it up.
Yep.